ICT in the 21st century. These are very important in our daily lives.
especially in school, at work, and even at home.
So today, we'll talk about the benefits of multimedia and ICT in the 21st century.
First, let us find out what ICT means. ICT stands for Information and Communication Technology. It is about using computers, the internet, and devices to share and find information. When we add multimedia, it means using text, pictures, audio, videos, and animations.
Together, ICT and multimedia make life easier to understand and more fun. First, education. ICT helps students learn in a better way.
We can watch educational videos, attend online classes, and use apps to study.
Second is communication. In the past, sending messages took a long time. But now, with ICT, we can chat, we can call, or video call people anywhere in the world in just seconds. Third is work and business. Many of businesses use the ICT to finish tasks faster. Multimedia helps making advertisement, presentation, and training materials. Fourth is information sharing. We get news and updates quickly through internet. ICT connects us to the world and keep us informed.
So, to sum it up, multimedia and ICT are very useful in the 21st century. They help us in education, communication, work, and information sharing. Thank you for watching our vlog. Please like, share, and subscribe.